Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the default ribbon tab in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to change the default ribbon tab in this document. Go to the File menu, then click the Option menu and go to the Customize ribbon. Then we can customize the ribbon. Check mark on or off the any tab. Now I check mark of the View or Review or Developer tab and Acrobat more thing, then click OK. Now we can see we remove the tab very easily and we customize the default ribbon tab very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.